For a second, I thought it was a recording, you know? I was about to be so hurt.
Bro, I was not doing this over. You would have to take what you get.
ZOESHAAA.
Hey guys, it's your favorite girl ZOESHAAA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with somebody who hasn't been on my channel in a long time, but you guys are not new to her. If you are, this is my bestest friend in the whole wide world, Fuffy. Ah! It's okay, don't worry yourself. So I'll ask you a question.
Bro, I'm about to get all of them.
So anyways, I have been seeing this video on YouTube and I have been dying to try it. I wanted to do it with the people man, but I don't know when I'm going to be going back to Jamaica, so she is going to be my first victim. Anyways, we are going to be doing the Smacks or Facts challenge. I don't know who else to do this video with. I feel like she should know these questions about me and me supposed to know questions about she. So without further ado, let's just jump on right into the video and see who knows who best. Yeah? Yeah, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Alright guys, so because we are in quarantine and we're not supposed to be, you know, touching each other, we're supposed to be practicing social distancing, but I'm always at home if I'm not going to work. She's always at home, so we good over here. But we gonna put on our gloves, you know, just to be on the safe just to be on the safe side.
You pregnant?
Lord. But anyhow, yeah, let's just jump right into it. I got my baby powder here, you know what I'm saying? So
Who's getting the first one?
let go. Okay, how are we gonna do it first? How do we do it? Rock, paper, scissors?
Okay.
Do you just do rock, paper, scissors, or you do rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
We could do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So you're first.
Yeah. Okay! I love challenges! You guys, I'm gonna win this because this girl, her memory is horrible.
No, I'm not on the spot. I'll be like, oh yeah, that is right.
Well, you're gonna have a whole yeah, that is right today. Okay, so I have 20 questions and we're gonna see how much I get through. If we can do all 20, that'll be great. If not, whatever. How much did you do? Did you do 20?
Yeah, I have 20.
Okay, perfect. All right, so the first question that I have for you is, how many siblings do I have?
Are you counting like
all of my siblings? How many siblings do I have?
And you know the funny thing is?
Come, buddy, come. Let me use the good hand.
This is so funny because I was just thinking about this the other day. Somebody said something to me and I'm like, Zoe? I'm like, okay, hold on. There's my boyfriend.
Come on.
I want to say 4 because I'm trying to remember if there's any more.
4?
I want to say 4 because you said there is one that. Are you counting?
Hello, I'm counting all of my siblings. How many siblings do I have? 5, 4, 3. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
I got 5.
Who's the 5th one?
My sister in Jamaica.
But that's
I have
not-
2 sisters in Jamaica.
No, I'm counting your sister here.
Remember, my mom has 4 of us.
Oh.
Wait.
No, wait.
Yeah, my mom has 4 of us.
There's Kiana. Oh, I forgot your brother.
The older one? And that's why I was saying all of them. Because I was thinking him, you weren't going to count.
I forgot about him. See, this is shit I don't like.
Alright, so yeah, I got 5 siblings, guys. No, 5 siblings, right? Yeah. 3 sisters, 2 brothers.
Let me then ask you, how much siblings do I have?
Okay, I knew you were gonna ask me this about me, no. Okay.
But that's not even my first question.
Oh shit. Come on.
But I thought I hit you with the same one. No.
Okay, so that's the question?
Siblings do I have? Oh yeah.
Okay. 5. It's 5. No, Tiffany, if we're being technical, it's 5. How is it not?
Because
Andre, Onisha, Brandy, and the 2.
No, and then there's another one that.
No, but you never, ever brought up no other ones. No.
I told you.
I swear to you, you never, ever told me about no last one. No, that's not fair. You never told me about no last one. You never told me about no last one. No, you only told me about those 2.
Guys, she's not playing fair. Okay.
I am playing fair. If you had told me, I would have been like, oh shit, you're right.
Buddy, then who did I tell?
Nikisha?
No, Nikisha wouldn't have known because.
No, I swear to God, you never told me that. I swear to God, you never told me that. I would take a box if I was okay.
But she's wrong.
But you never told me that, so that's not fair.
But she's wrong.
You never tell me that one, Bully. You tell me know Anisha, Andre, me know Brandy, and me know the other 2.
Guys.
You never tell me nothing about she about technically. You're too damn thief, man.
No, technically it is 6. Because there's the one that like it's a boy though.
We never hear about that one. Whoa. Okay, Daddy. Okay. What high school did I go to?
Lord Jesus. I don't know that high school.
So you don't know the question? You want to take a
Janet's
Just for that, let me box you. My girl said Jane had been shy. It was running me collegiate. Oh, yeah. It tastes so weird. Like I can taste all the particles.
I used to eat baby powder. I used to eat baby powder. Okay.
You look so cute.
Okay. What year did I get my tattoo? My dream catcher tattoo.
What are we in right now? 2020?
Oh.
Shit. Oh shit. Shit.
Look at this. You gonna this out after this?
Hold on. I'm trying to concentration. Your dream catcher tattoo.
Beep, 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 beep.
2017?
2015.
2015?
Yeah, after.
I don't know why I keep thinking that was 2016. So I was like, I know it was after.
Yeah, 2015.
Shit. Okay. Alright, okay. Okay.
Bro, I already know I'm gonna get another box.
Okay, what's my favorite soda drink?
I wanna say.
I know it's kind of tricky, but
Yeah, I
do have a favorite.
I wanna say it's cream soda. Is it cream soda?
Because you're not unsure, I'm gonna give you our next try. Bro, like.
No, like you literally. Pepsi? Don't you always have Pepsi?
Buddy,
My nigga, you always have
Come.
Pepsi in your fridge.
Come.
What is it?
Root beer.
Oh, ew. But you always have Pepsi.
No, I don't.
You
Only
always
when I
have-
have alcohol.
Nigga, but you always have Pepsi in the fridge.
Nah.
You always have Pepsi in the fridge.
I would more so either have ginger ale or root beer.
So you always have Pepsi in the fridge.
Girl, when last you see Pepsi in my fridge?
I've seen Pepsi in the fridge. My God, look at my phone. I hope you're buying me a new phone. What's one thing that you know, like at least one thing that you know that my heart completely desires? Because I want to slap you.
Okay, traveling. Your heart desires, Tiffany?
What is my heart desire?
Traveling?
Moving out of this country.
No. No. Then that is not technically traveling.
It's not traveling.
This bitch is a liar.
Moving
If
out
Tiffany
the
could
country.
travel to go to the beach and every day she would, okay?
But I want to move out of this country.
You said one thing that your heart desires, though.
One thing that my heart desires.
So one thing is not traveling?
But I put moving out the country.
But you said one thing. I could have picked any one of those one things. That's not fair. Dirty girl. Alright,
were there rules? What are the rules?
What year did we meet?
Just met, right? Not like actually talked or like...
Yeah, what year did we meet?
I started there.
I kind of don't even really know.
I think it's 2012 because we were 22 turning 23. Okay. 2012.
Yeah. But wouldn't it be 2011? No, 2011 would be 21. Okay, yeah, 2012. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Who is... Now you have to get this one. Like... Should I even give this one to you yet? Okay, no, I'm not gonna give you that one yet because that shit is easy. Okay. What do I love to eat with almost anything but you hate?
What do you love to eat with almost everything but I hate? Pepper.
Pear. But you like pepper. No,
but
pepper.
not as much as you.
No, but pear. You don't like pear at all. Pear I eat with soup. I put with everything.
Alright. Okay. Answer. Alright. What is a word?
Oh.
What is a word I would use to describe you? Like the word that I would use to describe you.
Is it like one of the good ones? Or
what is the word that I would use to describe you? Anytime I'm with you, I say this word a million times. Like,
I mean, like, she calls me annoying.
Alright, there you go. Point blank period. You get that one there, right?
But like, it could be something nice.
It is nice in a good kind of annoying way.
Okay. What's that one alkaline song that like...
Oh my god.
Anytime I hear it, and you know this one's gonna be hurt because there's so many. But that one, like when we hear it, and it's not like, okay, so like it's not one of the newer ones. Think more like back when around like alkaline first.
I can't think of it right now, but I know the song.
I know you know it because when you hear me say it, you're gonna be like,
alright, just box me.
But
no, because like I can't even think of the melody right now.
The older
That's
one.
why it's with me, because I can't even think of the melody. Like
the older one.
No, I know.
So just box.
Just
you know what I think, I guess.
Okay, I know it's not that one. It's I know what have something to do with money.
All of them. All the ones I like. All the ones.
No, I know it have something to do with pony. Can you give me like a word?
Because then you'll get it.
No, just give me a word. I might not.
You'll get it.
Give me a word.
You get it if I give you the word.
Okay, start off like the melody, like
I would give it away.
No, start it up just like.
But it's one of the older ones.
Yeah,
like,
no.
But there's like two, like Zoe, there's two songs. There's two songs, like anytime we hear them. I don't even remember what the other one is right now. But
that's how I feel right now. It's like I cannot like think of the melody to even think of the song.
Because there's two of them that we used to like, before like blocked and delete, before like all the...
No, we are talk. Like I know.
Okay, you wanna take this one more time?
Oh, you could have said time.
No, but then you would have got
one more time.
What's the other one? There's another one that we always love too.
Well, you could have said yeah, Tiffany. Yeah, no, like you.
Anything I say, you would have got.
You're wicked in a girl. Oh, my turn. You're wicked.
I'm gonna give you a better one. I'm gonna give you a good one.
How many tattoo I have?
Mother of hell.
Hold on, let me count.
one on your foot.
Okay.
There's blessed. There's butterfly. There's that one. The one we shall not name.
Come on, that take too long.
No, I'm trying to. I want to say like you have at least 6. Do you have it? Is it 5?
A 5. The butterfly, my wrist, my foot, yassa, and the back.
That was close.
Soon to be 6.
I like even numbers. Okay. Who's my celebrity crush?
You have one of them there?
Zoe, who's my celebrity crush?
Oh! What's his name? My girl husband. Tiffany, my girl husband.
That doesn't count as an answer.
Sasko, Angel Sasko. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl.
It's like, do you really even have a
Because I'm thinking like American or like foreigner celebrity, but then I said, wait, what? Yeah, no, because I always tell the people them husband. Yeah, Agent Sasko. She loves Sasko. Bad.
And the funny thing is, when we were over there talking,
Yeah, I know. That's why
I'm like, I
I remember you talking about Yoli and everything. Yeah, girl. Yeah. The boy, watch up for your man. Yeah, you made this. God, put your face, Tiffany. Jesus. Alright. Oh, am I turn? Alright.
One more time. It was hot.
How many piercings do I have? Like used. Like even if they're not used and not used. How many piercings do I have?
Nigga.
Mm-hmm.
Do you count this as one? Do you count the ears as just one or like?
Yeah, one.
Okay, one. I'm gonna say 2.
Alright. Alright.
I was trying to remember if you got any prerogative.
Prerogative? Prerogative? My prerogative?
Okay,
Oh my god.
what year did I come to Canada?
August of
I should have kept on my workout clothes.
I want to say fudge. I have 2 years in my head. I want to say 95.
97.
I was gonna say, I swear to God, but I'm like, yo, she looks so much smaller. But I'm thinking of the Jamaica pictures. Shit. Okay, it's a box, not a rub.
No, because you f***ed me up.
Oh my God. Yo, 97 was in my head first, but for some reason I was looking at a picture like in my head of you and
Tiny.
Alicia, and you were small.
Small baby, small baby, small
Shit,
baby.
yo, I should have just went with the first thing that I came to my mind. Cause literally I was gonna say 90. That's why I said I had 2 dates. I was gonna say 95 or 97. What street did I grow up on?
Mother of hell.
What the name of the street? We'll go there before enough time. What the name of the
go
street?
there all the time.
Okay. You want back speaker?
Jade Street.
What's Driftwood?
Oh. I knew that too.
Yeah, girl. It's like that question, yeah, you know, they're gonna be very provocative.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10,
We had a scale?
how easily do I fall in love? What number would you give me?
Of how easily you fall in love?
Yeah.
1.
I said 5.
It's not easy, no, not. Tiffany, it's lies. It's not halfway. It is not halfway. It is not halfway.
It's not 5?
1 to 3. 1 to 3, Tiffany. You can't tell me nothing else. 1 to 3. We're not talking about me. 1 to 3.
5.
No.
Zoe.
No. You're lying. 1 to 3. You can't box me. Call Onisha and ask Onisha. Call Onisha and ask Onisha. Cause if Anami says so, Onisha will say so. Oh.
Onisha's not gonna answer if I called her.
Alright. We're not even half ago, so come and get that one there, right?
Zoe,
Next
5.
question. How many nieces do I have? Do 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 do.
4. Wait.
No, there's no way.
No.
Your answer. Your answer. There is no way, company. Come. It's 5. The 3 mixed breed and the 2.
Oh, there is 3 of them. Oh. Okay, I'll take it. What's my favorite fruit?
Mango?
Yeah.
Okay. No, because I was thinking, I'm like, is pear considered a fruit? You can't trick me.
Yeah, trick.
Alright, what is my nephew's name?
Kamari?
Okay. I got that wrong? I'm like, yeah, look at my phone.
Is that a trick question, bro? I hope I can charge mine later.
Bro.
Okay, I think it's a 5 still. But
It's still on it.
what is one thing, no matter what time of day it is, you can almost guarantee I've done this at least once? It's pretty easy.
Listen to music?
Yeah!
I was gonna say burn a candle.
Oh, nigga, I ain't got none.
And she said we ain't close.
Okay, go.
How long have I been on YouTube?
Brownie days. What year was that?
Or you can give me the year that I started YouTube.
Blonde brownie.
You were on my first YouTube video.
We were going, oh, it was a Friday too. And we were going over to your house. And I said I wanted to make blonde brownies. Blonde brownies. Okay, well, it had to have been in between like when I was 25. 25 and below, but it's not 25 because 25 is 1 second. I'm gonna say it was
24. We was 24, 2014 goodie.
Was it really?
So 6 years.
It was 24?
Mm-hmm.
2014.
Yep.
What's my favorite color?
You have one of those?
No. But I would have accepted turquoise as well. I like the color of the sea.
No, okay, so you don't have a favorite color.
Yeah, exactly. It's sad, but I would have also accepted turquoise.
Girl,
I
bye.
like the color of the sea. Okay.
Okay,
Look at this. No man. Coming like snowfall.
5, 6, 7, 8.
So I can't give you the list to me.
Do I prefer curly or straight hair?
Curly looks good on you.
Okay.
Yeah. I prefer curly.
Alright, that's right.
Okay. How many piercings do I have?
Oh, frig. You're not telling me all of your secret, them, you know?
And we count ears as one then, right?
3.
1, 2, 3.
Me no remember that one there.
I thought this one
that box hurt.
because they're all visible.
Me no remember that. All right. What is my hobby?
Nigga, you have like a bunch.
Like my hobby. All time. My hobby.
Like creating.
Creating what?
But like creating like yours. Like what's the word for it?
That's what I'm looking for. Creating
It's
what?
like creating a good like creating.
No. This is creating.
Event plan. Can I call it that? Like.
Okay, I'll give you that.
Event
I was looking
planning.
for more like DIYs, crafting,
Yeah, like
whatever. Okay, you get that.
creating.
Okay, whatever. Creating.
Vibes.
Creating.
Okay, I'll give you a good one. Am I always right?
Okay, I know the answer you want me to give. That's the wrong answer, but yes. But that's the wrong answer. Okay?
No, but I should box you for that because you're saying it's the wrong answer.
Because to
It's
no,
not-
to
no.
the world
Nigga,
and everybody in your
I'm
life.
always right.
No. Alright. Second last question. What is my favorite alcoholic beverage? Like, not like
Alcohol, but like what?
beverage. Yeah.
Like a mix?
Yeah, like what's my favorite alcoholic beverage?
Like it has a name or is it just like a mixed drink?
It has a name.
Is this something we go out and order?
I have.
Yeah?
I have.
I want to say it's. Is it?
I'll go pretend I'm in my ear.
Bellini?
No. Strawberry daiquiri. Girl, bye.
That's close.
To a Bellini? No.
You gotta look like a fucking crackhead.
Bellini is like this small. A strawberry daiquiri is like this big.
Yeah, I feel like a crackhead.
I thought you would have got that. Didn't I get that when we went to Doctor's Cave?
Did you get a strawberry?
I swear I did, because I always get one at Doctor's Cave. That's my favorite place to get it.
Okay, what's one country I want to visit?
Bali.
No.
That. Oh my God, Tiffany.
Thailand, Zoe?
But wasn't it? You said what's one country? You did not say the country
Zoe.
that you want to visit. You said what is one country?
But
You want to go to Egypt. You want to go to Thailand. You want to go to Bali.
No, but I always talk about Thailand. I talk
Doesn't
about
matter.
Zoe, I talk about
It
Thailand.
doesn't
Oh,
matter. You said
no.
what is? Yo, she is such a cheater. Yo, holy shit.
Zoe, I always talk about Thailand.
No,
It's
then
like
you
you only said Bali because you heard me talk about Bali last night.
But that's one of the countries you want to visit. If you said what is the country that I want to
No.
visit, then I would have said Thailand.
Would you? She's lying.
Bombas, yo, we can't play with teeth, dog. We can't play with teeth. Yo, she's there. I don't even know which question to ask you right now, you know, dog. What's my favorite Jamaican fruit? Last question.
The apple.
All right. Good.
Okay. How tall am I?
5'4".
Okay. Zoe, you did.
Do you guys see? Almost there? Almost there.
You did.
But at least by the looks of it, you can see who know who best. Yeah?
No, it's because I slapped you down here. You put it
Get you a
everywhere.
friend like me who pays attention. I pay attention. I know things. This girl
No,
is
I
a
pay
thief.
attention.
Hey, careful where y'all talk on my channel.
I pay attention.
I am not a thief. You see how she work? I. No way I do, girl. No way I do. You want Burger King or not? No way I do.
Don't do those.
I know. I pay attention. I know my friends. I listen to my friends, okay? Okay. If you guys like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit the hit subscribe. Not even on episode 1 minute, right? If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another another video from me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video whenever the hell that is, okay? Bye!